Good morning, boys and girls. I trust you are all ready with a nice sharp pencil and sharp pencil crayons to do your cursive handwriting lesson for this week. This week we will be doing the cursive E letter. Before we start writing in our books, I would like you to practice on your whiteboard or at the back of your cursive handwriting book, and we're first going to practice the pattern. Right, if you look at the bottom of the image on the screen, you will see that I have two patterns with the E in it. We normally start, if you look over here at the bottom, we start at the bottom of the line to form the pattern. So you will start at the bottom and up, and you curl around and you go up. Without lifting your hand from the paper, you go up and around, and when you get to the end of the pattern always ends on the top line. So practice two of those rows for me. When you have completed practicing the pattern, we're going to now practice the letter E. Right, we do the same formation. We start at the bottom of the line. We go up and around, curl around, and we end at the top of the line. Up, curl around, and you end at the top of the line. Up, curl around without lifting your hand and end at the top of the line. Up, curl around, end at the top of the line. Up, curl around, and you end at the top of the line. Practice these letters a few more times on your whiteboards or at the back of your book until we're ready to start writing in our cursive handwriting books. Right, when you have completed practicing and you feel confident with your letter E, you're now going to date your work. In your book, you're going to write today's date, the Tuesday, the 11th of August, 2020. Prepare your books and get ready for your lesson. Right, when you have completed writing the date, you're going to use your coloring pencil and complete a pattern for me from the beginning of the line where the margin starts until the end of the page. Once you have completed the pattern, you're going to make 2 rows of just the letter E for me, the cursive letter E for me. When you have completed that, you're going to skip a space and you're going to make 2 E's next to each other, using 1 finger spacing in between each letter. Double E. When you have completed the double E, you're going to make 2 more rows of E for me, and then you're going to complete the page with a pattern using a coloring pencil. Right, boys and girls, remember, practice makes perfect, so practice, practice, practice.